This is the arc length and sector area calculator, which computes the arc length and sector area for any circular segment. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have radius r, where you enter the radius of your circle. Next is angle theta, where you enter the angle in degrees. For this demonstration, I'll use a radius of 10 units and an angle of 45 degrees. After entering these values, click Calculate Arc Length and Sector Area. The calculator processes your inputs and displays the results in the output section. The arc length represents the distance along the curved edge of your sector, measured in the same units as your radius. This is essential when determining material lengths for curved structures or calculating travel distances along circular paths. The sector area shows the total area enclosed by the two radii and the arc, given in square units. Engineers use this for calculating material coverage, load distributions on circular platforms, or determining cross-sectional areas in rotational systems. This calculator eliminates manual computation errors and saves valuable design time. Find the link in the description below.